Take a look at this storm, amigo. They're gonna shut down the highway. They're gonna shut down the byway. This place is in a state of emergency. Boy, I'll tell you, it's a damn good thing there's a fucking Dunkin' Donuts over there, baby. Woo! What you think about that shit, amigo? Amigo,
I don't like donuts.
take a look at the camera, man. What's your name, sir?
Well, man.
Hey, Will, it's nice to meet you, man.
You too, bro.
Let me shake the hand of a living legend here.
No, I'm not a legend. I'm not a legend.
You're a legend to me, man. You're a legend to me.
I'm just a news trucker, man. Just a news trucker like everybody else. Man.
Yeah. All right, now, I want you to hold this camera. I want to go over here and go stand in the snow. Take a look at that snowstorm, man. We are live here in Paulsboro, New Jersey. Or Paulsboro, I don't know. One of the two. But my buddy over here, Will, he says, I asked him, I said, what'd you think about all these videos that I'm making here? Go ahead, tell me what you said.
I mean, I like it, man. You ain't got nothing else to do in your truck. You have nothing else to do. You just enjoying yourself.
Hey, man, life is only so short, man. There are some things on this body that are kind of short, too. But let's not talk about that right now. Let's talk about this snowstorm, man.
Oh, shit. Look at this shit, dog.
Look at this shit, man.